Deep in the heart of the jungle, under the shade of a massive ancient tree, two builders sit quietly, studying the land around them. The forest is calm, with only the sound of birds and rustling leaves breaking the silence. But today, this peaceful spot is about to transform into something incredible: an underground swimming pool built created entirely by hand using primitive technology. After a short rest, they stand up and gather their simple tools. Their mission is clear: to create an amazing jungle survival pool using nothing but natural materials and hard work. The first step is clearing the area. They remove dry leaves, branches, and loose debris to prepare the ground. Then, carefully, they mark a large circle in the center. This will become the foundation of their DIY underground pool construction. With steady hands, they begin digging. At first, the progress seems slow. But with each strike of the shovel, the earth gives way. The circular pit gradually becomes deeper and wider. Pile after pile of soil is removed as the builders work tirelessly. As the hole grows, it becomes clear this is not just a simple pit. This is the beginning of an extraordinary primitive underground swimming pool project. Once the main pit reaches the desired depth, the builders move to the next phase. They begin digging additional smaller chambers around the main pool. Then comes the most fascinating part. Using careful precision, they connect these chambers with narrow underground tunnels, creating a unique hidden structure beneath the forest floor. Slowly, the site starts to resemble a real underground tunnel pool build, something you would never expect to find deep inside the jungle. But raw excavation alone isn't enough. Now they focus on shaping the design using their tools. They smooth every wall of the pool, carving clean and even surfaces. The upper edges are carefully sculpted to give the pool a polished appearance. Next, they dig a wide but shallow surrounding section, adding both beauty and functionality to the design. At this stage, the structure is impressive, but it still needs strength and waterproofing. For that, the builders ventured deeper into the jungle. There, they collect natural clay-rich termite mound soil, known for its strong binding properties. Basket after basket is carried back to the construction site, then they mix the soil with water, creating thick natural mud plaster. This marks one of the most satisfying parts of the primitive technology build. They coat every surface inside the pool and tunnels with the mud mixture, carefully spreading it across the walls. As layer after layer is applied, the rough structure transforms into a smooth, professional-looking underground pool. Watching this process, it's hard to believe everything is being built with such simple tools. After finishing the plastering, they construct a sturdy bamboo ladder for easy access to the pool. But there is still one final challenge: water. At first, just a few drops trickle through, then suddenly, a steady stream of crystal-clear water begins flowing into the pool. Slowly, the underground structure fills. The builders stand back and watch as their hard work finally comes to life. This is the magic of jungle survival construction, turning raw nature into something extraordinary. As the pool reaches full capacity, they climb in and enjoy the refreshing cool water. Later, they sit beside their handmade pool, eating fresh fruit and admiring what they have created. Just hours earlier, this was untouched jungle soil. Now, it is a breathtaking hidden underground swimming pool built entirely through skill, patience, and determination. This incredible primitive survival build proves that with creativity and effort, even the wildest ideas can become reality. And if watching amazing primitive technology projects, underground pool builds, and jungle survival creations inspires you, there's one simple thing you can do: hit that subscribe button, because the next unbelievable jungle construction project might already be starting. And trust me, you won't want to miss what happens next.